Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're gonna do an alarm system with Arduino Uno and a motion sensor. For this project, you'll need an Arduino board. In my case, I'm using the Arduino Uno, a PIR motion sensor to detect movement, a buzzer to sound the alarm, a 9 volt battery for powering the Arduino, and finally a switch. Before starting to make the circuit, I want to talk something about PIR motion sensor. This sensor can detect movement by sensing infrared radiation. It typically has 3 main pinouts. The positive 5 volts pin and the ground pin on the right are the power pins, and the output pin on the middle sends a digital signal to the Arduino. When the sensor detects motion, it outputs a high signal. Now it's time to make the circuit. The circuit is as you see on the screen. The circuit is complete, and now it's time to design a case to enclose and protect it, ensuring it fits perfectly around the components and adds a clean, professional finish to our project. Now we can start coding. First, I name the third and the fifth pin where the PIR motion sensor and buzzer is connected. In the setup function, I just tell the Arduino which pin is input and output. And in the loop function, I use digital read PIR pin to check if the motion sensor detects any movement. If motion is detected, the sensor outputs high, and I store this value in the variable named motion detected. And with the if condition, if motion is detected, I trigger the buzzer by writing high to buzzer pin using digital write buzzer pin high, making it beep. After a small delay of 100 milliseconds, I turn the buzzer off by writing low to the same pin. And if no motion is detected, the buzzer remains off with digital write buzzer pin low, ensuring that the buzzer doesn't sound when there is no movement. And finally, I include a 100 millisecond delay at the end of the loop to smooth out the sensor readings and buzzer activation. This is all about the code. And now, finally, I am placing the circuit inside the box we designed. And finally, it's done. When I shake my hand in front of it, it detects that movement and turns on the buzzer. So it works properly. If you have any question, guys, you can ask on the comments section. Thanks for watching.
It's okay, I think. But the lady's back. Don't you try to do it, please. Don't you stop spitting. It's not